What's up, guys? It's me, Chilling Fire, and I wish I could get those game changers, but they're way too expensive. I ain't Mikey Sweats. I ain't got $100 to pop on these. So we have Pro Packs, and I just finished the Style Solos, so I'm above 100k right now after building my team back to what it was. So we got a 15 Pro bundle right here. There's a lot of good cards in the game right now. There's the Mike Evans, which I really want. There's a, what's the defensive elite player? What is he? I don't know, but there's a JJ Watt tight end. There's a Eddie Lacy, Carlos Dunlap, Jonas Gray, Jamal Charles, Football Outsiders. Champ Bailey was in packs. I don't know if he still is. I don't think he is. But let's get into this. See what we get. Oh, I'm scared. I want to get some good stuff now. Matt Barkley. USC versus UCLA coming up. I think they play tomorrow. That'll be a good game. And oh, this guy, he went off in that Raiders game, getting them their first win. I don't know how the Chiefs sucked that bad, but oh, let's go, Chris Borland. Atta boy. There we go. All right, so this is the elite player for the Carlos Dunlap that I completely forgot about. He just, he wanted to pop up real quick so that they could show me who is the elite player. They're like, I got you, bro. Let me just show him real quick. Alright, so that was a good start. 90 overall elite, I'll take it. Desmond Southward. He looks skinny. Yeah, he looks skinny. Okay. So, as you guys know, there's a lot of new sets out right now. Whoa, who the hell is this? Never heard of this tight end before. Never pulled this card before. That's good. Ooh, let's go. I love the new free agent sets. Love it. You can't buy it, but it's still good. Ooh, I got a Chip Kelly offense. That always goes for a little bit. So, I want to know what we're going to get. How many more elites we're going to get. Because we want another elite. $56 overall. My starter team was better than this guy. Why would I use this guy? Especially if I'm opening packs. MJD. Oh, I see you, free agent lurking. That free agent be lurking. Oh my god. The blue, it always like, I'm like, who is it? And then it's always someone that's not very good. Like, I don't know anymore, man. This guy goes for like 200 coins. That Chris Borland goes for like 200 though. I'm pretty sure anyway. Elite! Let's go! Antonio Brown! Woo! Alright, that's good. Oh, I need him too for the Elite Steelers. Let's go. That's just one step closer. Son. So, I've done 2 MVP sets. I did... Alright, Alshon. Alright. So, I did the Rams, and I did the Jaguars. I made about 150 to 200k off the Rams one, and I made about 100 off the Jags one. So that was really good. Ooh, Josh Scobie, I need you. Elite Jaguars. Let's go. That is one of the longest names I've ever seen in MUT. But I know that Humanawawana, guy from the Patriots, is even longer. What's up with all these Patriots with some long names? I know DRC and Antonio Cromartie. I think. I don't know. They combined for like the longest last name out of any like family or something like that. Something weird like that, but I don't know. As one of my friends' parties pops up. Of course. Ooh, Plaxico Burris.
Oh, you little shit.
Alright, so we had a little interruption right there, but we're back. And I got nothing in that pack. That pack was horrible. Let's back out. My auction sold. I don't even know. Oh, we got 6 left. Alright. Alright, I'm feeling it. We already got 2 elites. I'm feeling it. Now I'm back out of MUT. We're going to go back in. Alright. Gotta get these last 6. As my stomach growls. Even though I already ate dinner. Alright, last 6. Whew. Amar Holmes. Oh, I thought he was gonna go in the elite set. He doesn't even go in a set? 86 overall, he doesn't go in a set. 80 freaking 6 overall, he doesn't go in a set. Really? Like, honestly, come on, man. Oh my god. I mean, I don't know what to think of that. Is that a good pull or a horrible pull? Because he's a Bills player, first of all. And who the hell wants a Bills player? Second of all, he doesn't go in any sets. Third of all, he's got pretty decent speed. Alright, he's decent, but his hit power is horrible, and he's a strong safety. What's his tackling? Set. I don't even know anymore, guys. Oh, they be trolling. They be trolling. I thought I was gonna get my second one of the day. They be trolling. Bro. They trolling over here. They be trolling. Sterling Moore. Okay. I mean, I'm kind of mad right now. These are not looking so great. How many we got left? 3. Alright, so we just cut those 6 in half. We have 3 left. Can we clutch something good? Can we clutch something good? Can we clutch it? Clutch it. Martavis Bryant. Alright. Can we clutch it? Clutch it. Oh, he goes in the set. I know you're going in the set, buddy. Alright, alright, got you put in the set. You don't go in the set. Jonathan Martin. Where's Richie? Where's Richie? Where's Richie at? Speaking of Richie, there were some signs that he might get signed by my team, the Broncos. And I don't know what to think about that. I think our line hasn't been playing too well, but I don't think that means that we need Richie Incognito of all people. Last pack. Hit him from the back. Alright. 86 overall, Chris Chester. Thank God you go in a set. The last one didn't go in a set. Like, what the hell? Like, why? Why would you not go in a set? But luckily this guy goes in a set. 86 overall, Chris Chester. That's not bad. But that was the last pack. We will open one more to get it to an even amount. I might have a 2 game changer pack thingamabobber. But I don't know. I really don't know. We'll open one pro pack though. See what we get. Alright, Seahawks offense. That's a K or 2. Oh my God, Eddie Royal. Eddie Royal. Did you really just hit me with Eddie Royal cheese? That's some Eddie Royal cheese. That's some royal cheese. Alright. Enough with whatever we're doing. So yeah, game changers are out. They're $100. Or the playoff elite player and elite badge. If I had a $100, I would definitely spend it on this over any other pack in the game. But I don't got a $100 to spend on Madden. This is my defensive lineup that I actually run, with Shields at the 3 and Verrett at the 4. And on offense, it's somewhat the one that I run. I have Gronk in though, with Terrence Williams and Emmanuel Sanders instead of Mike Evans and Marquise Goodwin. And then I have Doug Martin. But I'm gonna go look at what we pulled all together. We pretty much pulled Borland, which is a nice pull. No lie, that's a really nice pull, and I'm really happy because I need to rack up some coins. Like, I need coins bad. And then we pull Chester, Williams, Antonio Brown, well, yeah, that is going to be the video. And I will see you guys some other time. Peace out. I'll see you later.